this is how to install a Torque and Seal heat exchanger tube plug. Every box of Torque and Seal plugs will come with our patented hex capture drive and the requested number of plugs. The only tool you will need to provide is a standard 3/8 inch square drive adjustable torque wrench. To get started, you're going to take your torque wrench and set it according to the recommended installation torque found on your Torque and Seal plug box. I have already preset mine to 250 inch-pounds per the box. Next, you'll take your hex capture drive and push it onto the torque wrench until it clicks. This will hold it in place and keep it from coming loose during installation. After that, you'll take one of your plugs and push it on to the hex capture drive again until it clicks. This will prevent it from falling off at any point, especially once it's inside the tube, which can be difficult to get out. Now we're ready to install. We simply take our plug, align the cam, and slide it into the tube. We want to slide the plug into the tube so the sealing area, the serrations you can see right here, go at least past the front of the tube sheet, but not all the way through past the other side of the tube sheet. So I'll demonstrate here. This would be the beginning of the acceptable range where you can install it. Now you simply rotate the torque wrench clockwise and you'll feel the plug start to grab as the eccentric cam falls out of place. Now you simply torque it until the torque wrench clicks, indicating you've reached that recommended installation torque. It usually takes about 3 or 4 full rotations to go all the way down, so I expect we'll see about 3 rotations here. Try to move the torque wrench steadily as you install the plug. Until you feel that click. After you have the click, you simply grab the torque wrench and the hex capture drive, pull it free from the plug, and you've now sealed your tube up to 7,000 PSI with the Torque and Seal heat exchanger tube plug.